2% referral commission para sa buyer pag ako po ang pinili mong agent. Cindy Bernal Hapil here from Dreamhouse Realty. For Cheska na expanded po na townhouse, complete turnover po. Ang location po pala nito is Barangay San Sebastian, Kawit, Cavite. Ang home features po nito is 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, living area, carport, service area. Ang lot area po is 44. Ang floor area po is 40 square meters. 10,000 po to reserve the unit. So, bank financing po tayo. Ang ating total contract price is 2,865,500. Down payment po sa loob ng 14 months is 19,753. Monthly amortization mo po, pag banking kasi 20 years lang po eh. So, 19,995. Ang income required, 66,649. In the event na hinahanap mo po ang property ni Masaito Homes, ang Comelec Village po na nasa San Sebastian, Kawit, Cavite, yan po si Cheska Expanded. Hawak pala namin po mga lahat ng property and lahat po ng house model ni Masaito Homes, all project, all location. Para po meron kang 2% commission, di ba po, manager po kasi ako, gagawin kitang seller, mag-team up tayo, may benta ako, may bahay ka, may commission ka. Maganda po, sharing na lang tayo. Maraming salamat po. Cindy Bernal Hapil here from Dreamhouse Realty po ako. Thank you. Legit ang offer.